Today I'll be showing you how to make spaghetti bolognese, and it's going to be a one-pan recipe with minimal ingredients. That is basic ingredients that you definitely have in your pantry or in your kitchen. And the outcome is going to be saucy, flavorful, and delicious spaghetti. To get started, you'll need a few ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box. So grab yourself those ingredients and let's make spaghetti bolognese. This recipe is for around 2 people. You can double up the ingredients or even triple the ingredients and make for your entire family. So I'm going to get started by placing a huge pan, not so huge, of a medium-high flame, and adding a tablespoon of olive oil. Spread the oil in the pan, and then I'm going to be adding in 1 onion. Saute until it has a very lovely golden brown color, because we're looking for more flavors for our bolognese. Once the onions are getting that lovely color, you're going to add in 4 cloves of crushed garlic and saute for 30 seconds until the raw garlic flavor is gone, or until the garlic is very fragrant. As soon as the garlic hits the pan, the house is going to be smelling incredible, and this is the base for our bolognese. So as soon as the garlic gets a lovely golden brown color, or the garlic is fragrant, you're going to add in your minced meat or your ground meat. And using a spatula, you're going to break down the meat as it cooks. As your meat is cooking, you're going to add in 2 large carrots. Stir in the carrots. You're going to cook your minced meat until the pink color goes away and you have some lovely brown color on your meat. Make sure to use a spatula and break down the meat as it cooks. One-pan recipes always excite me because you'll have less utensils to wash. So this is a perfect recipe if you're feeling lazy. So as the minced meat is cooking, the carrots also are going to soften up. My meat is already browning. So next I'm going to be adding in 3 blended tomatoes, and also I have a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste, which is going to add in a very nice tomato flavor to our bolognese. Whenever I'm buying minced meat, I always go for the lean minced meat because I don't want my food to be greasy. You can see the pan is not greasy at all. Stir in your tomato and tomato paste into the minced meat. So I'm going to add in some salt and black pepper. Stir in the seasoning. You're going to reduce the flames to low and simmer for 5 minutes. As the tomatoes are cooking, you're going to add in a pinch of sugar. This is to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes have cooked through, you're going to add in 2 cups of water. Bring the flames to high. Stir in. And then you're going to let the water come to a boil. You're going to add in some fresh oregano and thyme. If you don't have the fresh oregano and thyme, you can also use the dried ones. So I'm simply going to hold the top part of the stalk and pull down the leaves. Using a kitchen scissors, I'm going to cut in the oregano Add in my thyme. Stir in, and because the water has come to a boil, I'm going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in more salt so that my bolognese can be well seasoned. Mine is not perfect, so I'm going to be adding in a little bit more salt. Place in my spaghetti into the pan. Reduce the flames to medium-low. Then you're going to cook the spaghetti according to the packaging instructions. Mine is 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm going to stir in the spaghetti so that it can soak in all those lovely spices and flavors. Use a spatula and separate the spaghetti as it cooks, because you don't want the spaghetti to clump up together as they're cooking. And then you're going to cook until the spaghetti are cooked through. Once you can run your finger in between the spaghetti, it's ready. Make sure to reduce the flames to low because you don't want the spaghetti to stick to the bottom of the pan. And this is how my spaghetti bolognese is looking like. The spaghetti are cooked through and looking perfect. So I'm going to be garnishing with some more oregano and thyme leaves. Saucy, flavorful, and delicious. My spaghetti bolognese has turned out perfect, and I still have some more over here because I've served myself some, and I'm surely going to be enjoying this because it's just delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy one-pan spaghetti bolognese. And feel free to use any pasta that you have in the house if you don't have spaghetti, and still it will be so good and delicious. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.